how to enable or disable OEM unlocking the right way on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down, and now here showing you OEM unlocking. So if you want to enable OEM unlocking, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see OEM unlocking is enabled. So if you want to disable OEM unlocking, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see OEM unlocking is disabled. So you will enable or disable OEM unlocking from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable OEM unlocking to right way on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.